It's official. I'm an HO Trainiac. Okay, I think this is I know I showed off my Bachmann Thomas on my channel multiple times, but I gotta say, this engine I got not too recently, why the heck does it look so in scale with the Bachmann HO scale range, basically, from the Thomas range? Well, from any range of Bachmann, I should say, because basically looks the same size. But my Bachmann HO scale Thomas has the motor taken out. This model doesn't. But watch this. I like how a switch better than running it with electricity. Even though batteries are electricity. And if you haven't seen my unboxing of this model, I said it kind of looks like Hero from Japan from Thompson Friends. Because in my eyes, it looks like a D51. So yeah. A D51 Express engine, because it says Express on the tender. It says Express right there. It also says Express on a green car, but I don't remember where I put it. So yeah. Bye. And sorry that my hair's a mess, just me being a teenager.